Hey guys, Judy Jules and the big Italian is operating the camera. So today we're winterizing the garden and fixing to check and see if we got any sweet potatoes. And also all the squash and bean vines I'm going to give to the chickens. So these are the squash vines. Oh, I see sweet potatoes sticking out.
Hey.
Okay. Close. Look, they're busting out. I'm excited.
Just flip it all the way over.
It's gonna break if I do.
Pick up just a little bit. There we go. Get my fingers under it.
Sweet potatoes.
Sweet potatoes.
Toby, look. Look what Mommy got. No. Noosh, look what Mommy got. They're bigger than our regular potatoes were.
Hey.
Last year we didn't get any. That might be it.
Good little haul for one tub, baby.
Now I'm going to feed the chickens the vines. Now let's go feed the other chickens. My peppers are still growing strong, but I took the tomatoes down, and I've already got them ready for winter. I gave them a dose of eggshells, compost, and quite a big load of rabbit poo. And then each one a layer of my super soil. Those are volunteers. When my marigolds all came down this year, a few came up. And then I did a triclover over here for my ground cover. But in the drought, it really didn't do that good taking off. The chickens are having fun. They're eating the greenery from the beans and the squash. And the sweet potatoes. The peppers are loaded. I let the kids come over here and pick every pepper. I mean, he had a full-size box. My son and his woman came over here and picked, and what that did was triggered a bunch of growth. Just getting all covered again. But that's great. A friend of mine, Sean, he eats that cowboy candy quick as I can make it.
Well, guys, we appreciate y'all coming by to visit with us and watch our video. Like, subscribe, and share. Make a comment if you like. Give us some tips what you'd like to see. And we'll see you on our next video. Thanks.
See ya.